अस्सलामुअलैकुम, आप देख रहे हैं के न्यूज़ चैनल इंटरनेशनल। यूट्यूब पर हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और रहें दुनिया भर की खबरों से बाखबर। रुख करेंगे अमेरिका का, जहां पर इंसानी गोश्त से मैकडॉनल्ड पर मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें तैयार किए जाने का इंकशाफ होने पर मैकडॉनल्ड पर छापा। एक बार फिर आपको बताते चलें कि अमेरिका में इंसानी गोश्त से मैकडॉनल्ड पर मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें तैयार किए जाने का इंकशाफ होने पर मैकडॉनल्ड पर छापा मारकर इंसानी गोश्त बरामद कर लिया गया। मजीद जानते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में।
Oklahoma City, first horse meat, then the mysterious pink slime, now human meat. A shocking discovery has been made in an Oklahoma City McDonald's meat factory and other McDonald's meat factories nationwide. Meat inspectors reportedly found what appeared to be human meat stored in the meat factory freezers of an Oklahoma City meat factory and human meat already in trucks right outside the factory ready to be shipped to McDonald's restaurants. Health inspectors immediately demanded inspection in various McDonald's meat factories across the country and horrifyingly found human meat in about 90% of the factories inspected thus far. The USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, has seized McDonald's production and shipping and will call for more meat factory inspections and restaurant inspections. The FBI is also investigating the factories. FBI agent Lloyd Harrison told Hustler reporters, "The worst part is that it's not only human meat, it's child meat. The body parts that were found across the U.S. factories were deemed too small to be adult body parts. This is truly horrible." The situation brings up many unanswered questions. How long have they been using human meat? Where did they get the children from? Were they already dead when brought into factories? Investigators and inspectors are currently being deployed for intensive investigations all around the U.S. Here is another clip when earlier McDonald's was caught.